Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Disconnect the terminal of the taillight wire. Use a 5 mm hex key to remove the 4 screws that fix the luggage rack. Remove the luggage rack. Remove the 2 rubber stoppers. Pull out the taillight harness. Cut the cable ties that secure the wiring harness. Use a 3 mm hex key to remove the 2 screws that fix the rear shell of the taillight. Take out the rear shell of the taillight. Be careful not to catch the wiring harness. Thread the taillight wire through the luggage rack hole on the side with the rubber stopper hole. Tighten the 2 fixing screws. Thread the taillight wire through the hole of the luggage rack. Apply thread locking adhesive to the 4 luggage rack fixing screws. Install the luggage rack. First, pre-tighten the 4 screws. Then tighten the screws one by one. Use cable ties to secure the taillight wire to the luggage rack. Install the upper rubber stopper with the opening facing upwards. Install the lower rubber stopper with the opening facing downwards. Align with the arrow and connect the taillight terminal. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.